Hi everybody, Ellie here from T-sportline, and today I have yet another highly customized, truly one-of-a-kind Tesla Model S's that I'm so proud to share with you that my team and I in Los Angeles, California just finished customizing to the extreme. Check this out. As you can see, we started off with wrapping the complete exterior using T-Max satin black PPF film. This is color change PPF film, and this is going to go ahead and protect the paint underneath while giving you a color change at the same time. This is a very popular color, the #1 seller from T-Max, and a personal favorite of mine because it looks so good on a Model S, enhancing all the creases and the design lines and the body lines and everything that makes the Model S look so cool. When you put a satin wrap on it, it makes it look even better. So we wrap the complete exterior, as you can see, and then let's move right into the wheels. 21-inch super wide wheel and tire package. The wheels are finished in gloss black. These are truly a very special wheel and tire fitment exclusive to T-sportline with these beautiful brand new TSW 115A wheels. A is for Aero because it's got this really cool Aero design element right here. Finished in gloss black is a really nice contrast to the satin black wrap. Take a look at the titanium torch flamed lug nuts, a very nice touch, stronger, lighter weight, a little bit of a design element. Orange custom painted brake calipers, front and rear, and I'll get more into that in a moment. Matte carbon fiber front fender camera housings, as well as side mirror caps, window tint of course. And when you come along to the rear here, part of our sports package, this is our very popular carbon fiber wing, again finished in a matte carbon finish as opposed to gloss, and my favorite, the very sporty rear diffuser. The exterior of this Model S looks absolutely stunning, but now speaking back to the color aspect point of the orange brake calipers, take a look at this interior. Now, if you've been following our YouTube channel or some of the galleries on our website, you may have seen this very popular Lamborghini orange leather hides that we import from the tanneries in Europe to go ahead and reupholster any model Tesla. And this customer chose that because he absolutely loves the way orange and black work together, the contrast. He loves the shade of this orange, and as you can see, we reupholstered the whole interior, starting from the front and rear seats with black contrast stitching, perforated inserts so that the ventilation and the heating still works, our signature diamond quilt design in the upper V-neck area, which complements the same design on all 4 door panel inserts. The lower sections of the doors have been reupholstered in the orange leather as well. The curved door panel inserts also have our signature diamond quilt design, and then the rest of the doors have been reupholstered in the orange leather. Now, at T-sportline, it's all about the details. And as you can see, we reupholstered the speaker grills on the doors from that kind of grayish fabric that Tesla uses to a black proper grill cloth. We dyed to match perfectly the actual speaker grills in the lower portion of the door in orange to match. And now as we carry on, as you can see, all the interior decor pieces have been transformed from the factory Tesla matte carbon fiber finish to a gloss finish. And then we added even more carbon. Take a look at the sides of the front seats where the controls are. Those are normally plastic. Well, you know what? They're gloss carbon fiber now. And the back of the front seats, that's normally plastic wrapped in vinyl. It is now gloss carbon fiber. And then this customer chose our very popular 360 steering wheel. This is a wonderful steering wheel that we came out with when the car was refreshed in 2021, for those of you that did not like the yoke style steering wheel. And then we went ahead and took the yoke steering wheel and completed it and created the 360 steering wheel with even more attention to detail, because you can have it with gloss carbon fiber on the upper and lower zones, as you can see, black leather, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock kind of grip positions on the steering wheel, with of course orange stitching to tie it all in. We also dyed the center airbag in orange to go ahead and add that extra nice little touch. Now, have you seen these floor mats? Extra plush, extra thick, hand-carved floor mats with the Tesla T logo in orange is always a nice touch. And as you can now see, this interior has been completely reupholstered, reimagined, exactly the way the customer wanted it, to give them that sporty, plush design that, in my opinion, every single Model S deserves. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.